everybody, this is Bridget here, and today is one more Anglo-Indian Christmas special, which is kalkals. So let's get started. What we need is plain flour, butter, coconut milk, sugar, baking powder, eggs and vanilla essence. Exact quantities will be given to you in your description. So first of all, you mix the flour, baking powder and sugar together. Then add the butter. Okay, add the coconut milk and then you begin mixing the flour. Now you could use even plain cow's milk or any other milk if you like, if you don't want to use coconut milk. Now add the beaten eggs and mix. So it may be a little tight, so what you could do is add a little more water or milk and mix it to quite a soft dough, but not too soft, then you won't be able to roll your kalkals. So mix it well to a soft dough. The more you mix, the more softer your kalkals would be. Okay, so this is how it should turn out. So you cover and keep aside for 1 hour. Now when you are ready to make the kalkals, you just take small balls of dough and keep it aside. Now from these small balls, you pinch a little of the dough and roll on the back of a fork to form a kalkal. So this takes a lot of work and many hands to do it like this. Lots and lots more to roll. So one tray of rolled kalkals is getting almost done. And likewise, we'll have to make many more kalkals to fill many more trays. So now I'm starting on the next tray, as you can see, and here we go. My kalkals are ready, all rolled on a few trays. So now let's begin by frying the kalkals. Okay, heat enough oil in a pan and fry the kalkals till golden brown, and once they are brown you could remove, and there you go, you set aside to cool. So if you want to frost the kalkals, what you have to do is take 2 cups of sugar with half a cup of water and make a syrup. Then pour over the kalkals. Once you know that the syrup is ready, mix well so that the syrup covers all the kalkals. This is quite a hard job, but you'll have to do it, and you'll have to do it fast before the sugar crystallizes. And your frosted kalkals are now ready to be enjoyed by you. So if you like this video, please like and share it, and of course do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Merry Christmas to you and your families. God bless.